Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you Angophora costata. So if you remember, eucalyptus is a collective term for Angophora, Corymbia, and eucalyptus. Angophora, being the smallest genus of those three, has about 12 species, I think. And what really is distinctive about Angophora is that they have petals and sepals that are not fused into the operculum covering the flower buds. So that's really that really sets them apart from Corymbia and eucalyptus. So for this species, Angophora costata, which is the red-ish trunk species in front of me, it's a wholly smooth species. I think it's currently shedding its bark. You might be able to see those flaky shedding old bark on it, but otherwise it's wholly smooth. Trunk, it's really ornamental, and because it's reddish color, I think that might be the common name. One of the common name, I think it's Sydney red gum, but I'm not entirely sure. Don't quote me on the common names. And another thing about this is that they have opposite adult leaves, as opposed to in the cases, say, in Corymbia and eucalyptus, their adult leaves are usually opposite to each other, but they have opposite adult leaves and really interesting flowers. And yeah, and for this species, costata in Latin, it means ribbed, and that's referring to those longitudinal ribs on the fruits. And some other interesting or useful facts to know about Angophora costata is that this species grows really well on confined spaces. So if you have a very shallow soil or really a confined space, this can grow into a really interesting specimen. Sometimes it has twisted branches, give them really nice architectural look. And also, let me just back up a bit and make sure I don't back into traffic. The other thing is that their flowers are borne on the terminal inflorescence to the branches, so that as a whole they look like they are outside of the canopy, instead of, if it's on the axis of the leaf, it's kind of buried under the leaf. Because of that, the leaf flowers are really conspicuous. As you can see here, it's really a pollinator magnet, and it's in peak bloom. It's really nice. So a very interesting species if you have space and the right climate. It grows into a smallish tree, I think about 10 to 15 meters tall. So not the smallest, but not huge either. So I definitely encourage you to give it a try if you can. And again, this is Angophora costata. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.